Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. I am the host of this presentation, Sumaya Pathan, and my group members are Prathamesh Varthi, Salman Sheikh, and Nikhil Gabne. We prepared our project Preparation of Paper and Pulp from Banana Stem under the guidance of Miss P.D. Khandekar, ma'am. Here is the introduction of the group members. I am Sumaya Khan and I am from Narkhed. He is Prathamesh Varthi and he is from Wardha. He is Salman Sheikh and he is from Karanja. He is Nikhil Gabne and he is from Bhandara. Contents of the projects Contents of the project are introduction, why it is needed, what is banana pseudostem, objectives, chemical used, equipment used, procedure of making paper and pulp, comparison of paper pulp quantity that we made, society benefits, result and conclusion, paper and pulp industries in Maharashtra, and lastly applications. Introduction. Today, banana stem is used as a source of raw material for preparation of paper, pulp. Leaves, stems, and roots are cut out as it has no use. So, we try to create the very useful and very beneficial for the society the product pulp and paper from the banana pseudo stem. We try to convert waste material into very useful product, and the pulp used to make the paper is made from the craft process. It is the very oldest process and famous process, and it was first discovered in Germany in 1879 and was first applied in Swedish mill in 1885. The basic idea behind the project is, as I said before, utilization of bio waste and its conversion into useful products. And the main motive is to obtain conventional paper by using pulp from waste banana pseudostem and converting it into paper. Why it is needed? The basic question arrives in every mind that why you choose this project. So it is very simple. It is very best idea to start a business investment. After harvesting banana fruit, the farmers see the stem as waste. So by taking this stem in very cheap cost, we can convert it into different products such as paper, ropes, decorating items, etc. It is the best way to start a business, and it provides money too, that we bought banana stem from the farmer. So, and the plastics and paper, as we know, that are the binding forces that help our information age to proceed further and conquer new frontiers. And however, the plastic and the paper both are the good essential goods and are made from the non-renewable sources such as petroleum and forestries. So there is an urgent need to find alternatives of this. And on the other hand, our agricultural sector in India produces a vast range of natural fibers that can be utilized to produce both fiber and paper. Natural fibers are the substances that are obtained from the plants such as banana, cotton, etc. The banana fiber has emerged as a new eco-friendly innovation since it is produced from banana stem, which is a waste material after harvesting the banana fruit. What is pseudostem? Pseudostem is a part of the banana plant that looks like a trunk. Once the pseudostem bears banana, it is cut down from base because it will never bear fruits again and becomes a waste. After some time, a new pseudostem grows from true stem and cycle continues. Objectives. We wanted to make a paper from banana fiber. Aside from it, it will help in making environment clean and green, and also it helps in making the production of paper in a very greenery way. To obtain pulp from banana pseudostem and to analyze result from the process and process the best method for production of paper based on the quantity of raw material and liquor we used. That is, we used two methods. That is, we used As we can say that we use the proportion of liquor and raw material used in the project, which is explained in above slides. And the next objective, the main objective of this study was to establish the suitability of banana stem fiber as a potential source, as we know that, which is a lignocellulosic fibers for paper making. Chemical used in the project: sodium hydroxide, sodium sulfate, and sodium carbonate. Equipment used are oven, beaker, heater, conical flask, weighing balance. Here is the process of making pulp and paper theoretically. And here procedure of that we actually do. And here is the procedure of making our paper from banana stem that we actually done. We take a banana stem and cut it into 10 centimeter long pieces. We crush that banana stem into sugar cane crusher and then dry them in sun for some time to remove moisture. After that, we cut them into small pieces and put it in oven for drying purpose about 90 degrees Celsius for 1 hour to complete removal of moisture, as you can see in images also. After drying, we weigh the dry raw material, which is 10 gram. Then we prepare a liquor of 1000 ml by adding chemicals such as sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, and sodium sulfate, which is 12% by weight in water. We took 800 ml of liquor from that solution we made and added 10 gram of raw material in it. Then we heated the solution for 430 hours with continuous stirring. After heating, brown stock produces called as pulp, which then separated from liquor. Later, it is washed with water several times. Then the extra water is separated using cloth. Then pulp is spread in flat surface, separate in flat surface, and covered it using plastic, and we added some weight on it. And after some hours, the pulp is dry, and we got a thin paper because we added some weight on it. Before trying this process, we have make pulp of 1000 ml liquor, and we added 5 gram of raw material into that 1000 ml of liquor. So as the previous process, the pulp is not formed and form it, and like no pulp is formed. Here is the image of our project. As you can see, there is a paper. It is very best way to start a business from ground level. It will help our youth to start a business and to become independent after this coronavirus pandemic. After this pandemic, life will become very difficult for us. So we have to try something new. So we diploma students also can try this, and we want to try, and we will try definitely by after coronavirus pandemic. Here is the comparison of the pulp quantity. In the first, 10 gram of raw material in 800 ml solution, and second one is the 5 gram of raw material in 1000 ml solution. As you can see, 5 gram raw material in 1000 ml solution, the quantity of pulp form is very less, and as compared to the previous one, it is very negligible. Society benefits: pseudostem waste disposal problem, and consequently the environmental pollution issues can be solved, as everyone treats the banana everyone trees the banana stem after harvesting the fruit, or any tree or any fruit. Farmers see see them as a waste. So there is a problem of pollution that we have to face. So if we try this method or this procedure, it is that waste becomes a very that becomes very that waste become very popular in making different items, and that demand and the demand of that waste rises. It will be a source of income for farmers. Obviously, wood consumption for paper production will be reduced, which is a very big problem in our environment, that we cut trees. So if we apply this eco-friendly method, that then we can save our environment too. And new industrial setups of banana pseudostem will provide new job opportunities to everyone. Result and conclusion. So here is the result. The result of pulping of banana pseudostem suggests that this material, which is a waste product after harvesting the fruit, can be used as a potential source of cellulose to make high valued cellulose based products such as paper, fiber, etc. So so our result and our conclusion is that banana pseudostem, which is treated as a waste material, can be used as a very beneficial raw material for making paper and pulp and very different kinds of material. And second one is the we made pulp from craft process. When we take 1000 ml of liquor and 5 gram of material banana fiber, then the pulp is not formed. And from that 1000 ml we take 800 ml of liquor and added 10 gram of raw material, then pulp is formed. That is, by taking proper proportion of raw material and liquor, best quality of paper and best quality of liquor is formed. And anybody can start a business of making different items from banana stem, as it is very beneficial and it help our nation's youth to become independent. And after this coronavirus crisis, life will become very difficult for the normal people. So by trying something new, we can develop this business. So there is a lots of availability of jobs also, and we can earn money also. Here is the list of paper and pulp industries in Maharashtra. Application of paper and pulp. There is a lots of application of paper and pulp, as it is a versatile material with many uses including writing, printing, packaging, cleaning, decorating, and a number of industrial and construction processes. Other uses of banana fiber. This is also a best use of the banana fiber, that is fibers extracted from the outermost stem layers are the coarest, which are suitable for mats, bags, and tablecloths, while the softest innermost fiber are used for the traditional Japanese handloom cloth making process. Here is the images of the banana fiber products. So every part of the banana stem which is treated as a waste, every part of it is very useful. So we can took that waste material, and can be from one material we can develop lots of essential and very good products, which help our society to become pollution free, and our youth to become independent and start to something new. Thank you.